The letters of the word incomprehensibilities are arranged alphabetically in reverse order. How many positions of the letters or letters will remain unchanged? So if you see this question, this is actually very big word, and there are possibilities of getting confused also. So just keep calm and try to answer this question. So I am writing incomprehensibilities again. Incomprehensibilities. So this is a very big word. So this much of words are there. Okay, now the thing is, from here I am identifying different words. If you look into I, how many I's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I is there. So I am writing like this, 5 I is there. Now how many N is there? 2 N's are there. This is 1 N and this is 1 N, so 2 N is there. And C, only 1 C is there. Okay, O, only 1 O is there. Similarly M is 1, P is 1, R is 1, then E is 1, 2 and 3 E's are there. So I am writing 3 E's. Okay, then H is coming one time, then S, right? S is coming 2 times. So S is there 2 times. Then I we have already taken. Then B is there. B will come only 1 time. Then L is there and T is there. All other words we have written. So these are the different letters in this word. Now we have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order, in the reverse order. Now here A is not there. Okay, B is there. So I need to write B here. Okay, because we have to do in the reverse order. So I am writing B here. Now then C, yeah, C is there. So C I am writing is here. D is not there. Then E is there. Right, 3 E's are there. So I need to write 3 E's, E, E and E. Okay. Now then E, F, G, H is there, right? So I need to write H. Then H, I is there, 5 I's are there. So you need to write 5 I's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have written 5 I's. Okay. Now H, I, J is not there. K, L is there. So I have to write L. After L, M is coming. M is there. Then 2 N's are there. M, N. O is there. Then P is there. Okay. P, Q is not there. R is there. So R. Then S, 2 S are there, and T. So this is the arranged in the alphabetical order, in the reverse order. Okay. So how many words are unchanged? If you see here, this is unchanged, and this I is also unchanged, and none of the other word is unchanged, right? So 2 letters remain unchanged. So answer is option C, 2.